women are known to have inflated ego and standard. Their ego is always boosted because of thirsty and weak men who go everywhere pedestalizing women. So in this video, I want to tell you one major thing you can do to destroy a woman's ego. Destroying a woman's ego is important at some point because their inflated ego makes them place themselves so high, set higher standard, and make unrealistic demands as they feel they are more important or more valuable than the man. Due to the attention they get from other people, deflating a girl's ego is important because it will make her become calm, unsure, and insecure whenever she is around you. And one important way of deflating a woman's ego is to play down her physical features and beauty. Women are naturally insecure creatures. They are always not satisfied with who they are or what they are. So they seek external validation, especially from men. These validations help them become confident in themselves and suppress their insecurity to a certain level. No matter how beautiful a woman looks, she is unsure of it. And no matter how curvy a woman is, she feels other girls look better than her. What convinces them that they are beautiful or good enough is the validation men give to them. So when they get these compliments and assurances from men every now and then, it inflates their ego and boosts their confidence. They now think they are good enough and better than most men. So if you want her to treat you differently, you have to deflate her ego by pulling a psychological trick on her, by telling her to her face that she is not really that great. Point out certain flaws on her body and tell her to her face. This will make her feel unsettled and powerless around you. She might still feel important around other guys, but whenever she is with you, she'll feel she is not good enough for you. She'll feel you can see her flaws and insecurities, so she'll become more powerless, feminine, and cooperative around you. This will work on every girl, because every woman is emotional. Just that, some women will react differently. Some will still be with you, but their ego will be shattered around you. They won't raise themselves and will live with you normally, while some girls will totally stay away from you. Some will hate you and will never talk to you. Regardless of the difference in reaction, you've achieved the same result. You've shattered her ego. If a girl stays away from you after playing down her beauty, that is because she felt defeated and ashamed to be around you. She knows you have the upper hand, and she now thinks she is not good enough for you. So she'll stay away from you because she feels you don't think she is good enough, and will easily cheat on her with a more beautiful girl or take her for granted at some point. Women are very emotional, and these things easily get to them. So if you want to deflate a woman's ego, to make her soft and easygoing, whenever she is around you, tell her to her face that she is not that beautiful. Even if she is beautiful, tell her she is not really that great. Compared to other girls you've met, she will believe you, and her ego will be crushed. She will treat you with more respect and will not want to talk about her looks or beauty around you. This is one way you can shatter a woman's ego. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. See you in our next video.